press it down on my face and see if it transfers. Voila, no transfer. Let's see if it transfers on my phone screen. If I just do that, no transfer there. You saw no transfer. Makeup that is summer proof, waterproof, sweat proof, transfer proof. Let's get started. Okay, let's get the basics cleared first. I have already done my skincare, moisturizer on, and the most important part is your sun protection. So always wear your sunscreen no matter what. I already have a lot of sunscreen on, but I'll be demonstrating it again because why not? That is how my skin looks post the sunscreen. Once you're done with your entire skincare routine, let it sit, give it like 5 minutes. Do not immediately start with your makeup, elsewise the products will pill and you would face pilling, so don't do that. Give it time to sink into your skin, and post that's done, we shall start with the makeup part. Step number 1, which is very important, is a good gripping primer, because that is what is actually gonna adhere your base and not let it move. So to make it transfer proof and long lasting, you need a good primer. Just slap this product on and let it do its magic. So that is my primer all laid. Now post that halka sa, I love that glowy base from within, as if I drink gallons of water. That kind of glow, I live for it. And for that I'll be using my favorite, the Radiance filter. So little amount of the Radiance filter on the high points of my face and just blend it. I'm literally just using my fingers because this stuff is extremely easy to blend in. Look at that glow, so good. Now post that for your base, you need to ditch your foundation in the summertime because foundations are too much for the heat. So either you can go for BB creams, CC creams, or just use a concealer and spot conceal. Let your skin breathe. I love it like that. So we'll be using just a concealer to spot conceal. I'm using the Swiss Beauty Select High on Cover Liquid Concealer. I love this one. I'm the shade 3.5 Dusky to Deep. Using the Mars BRF09 brush, I would blend the concealer out, and then with whatever is left on the brush, I would take it on my nose and eyelids. I do not apply excessive product because there you go oily. I have like hooded eyes, so not much of product should settle. That is the base done. So we've kept the base extremely light. Now for my blush, I love to use tints because they are water based, lightweight and easy to blend, plus super long wearing. And then to set my entire face, I'm using a powder foundation again from Swiss Beauty. Now this is something which is waterproof, transfer proof, and would also set your makeup in place. So you can also just skip your concealer or any base product and just use a powder foundation as well. Make sure you're always pressing the powder in and not swiping it because you would move your base. So just press the powder in. So that is pretty much the base. Moving on to my brows, I'll be using a waterproof, a transfer proof brow pomade to fill in the gaps. Make sure you're not using something that is too waxy because it might easily slip and slide, especially waxy brow products. They just don't stay in the heat. So you need something which is pigmented and has a perfect blend of wax and pigment so that it stays put and is also transfer proof and transfer resistant, at least the bare minimum that you can expect. I love this one. This is just it for me. I simply just fill the sparse gaps. The next step is again optional. I like to set my brows in place so that they get that laminated brow look. That's basically my brow all done. For my eyes, keeping it very simple, I'll be using a brown kajal just around my lash line and smudge it out. I am in love with the smudged kajal look. This tattoo liner from Maybelline is waterproof, transfer proof, and sets to a complete matte finish, so is super long wearing. Love it. And then I would just curl them lashes and apply loads of the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I love this one, adds a lot of volume without clumping up my lashes and is also a waterproof formula. So I don't really apply the mascara much on my lower lashes because then it transfers, so I just leave them like that. Those are my eyes all done. If at any point you feel you're going shiny, you can obviously add a little bit more of the powder and fix those places. Now makeup is looking smooth. And then before we move on to the most important step, I would apply a little bit of the lip tint on my lips and blot it. Initially I was wearing the matte mousse on my lips, and then I just topped it with a little bit of the tint, get that perfect rosewood brown color, and I love this combo. And then to set everything in place and to make your entire makeup transfer proof, waterproof and sweat proof, you need a good setting spray. I love the Infallible Pro Spray and Set, and the Nino Launch as well is good. While this one is a little bit strong on alcohol, that's the only difference. That's the Infallible 3-second setting mist. So I would just shake it and spritz it all over my face. So just let the spray dry down, and then we shall do the real test. And that's what I'm really excited about. This has a lot of alcohol in it, and so it just makes your skin tight and hair also crunchy. So just mind well before using this. Okay, so that is my base all set. Let's see whether it transfers or not. I have a clean tissue paper. So let's press it down on my face and see if it transfers. Voila, no transfer rate. So it does not transfer. Let's see if it transfers on my phone screen. If I just do that, no transfer there. You saw no transfer. Like when the screen gets dirty, I hate it the most, but zero transfer.
I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
Now that is the finished makeup look. This makeup is transfer proof, sweat proof and summer proof. Do not ficker, simply wear this makeup this summertime and beat the heat. That's Nidhi's promise. I personally love this one. If you try it, do tag me, and all of the products would be mentioned down below in the description box. So check that out, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste and keep trimming.
But if I lay down and I play dead